Hello, Eds, or if you are or connected to a person named Eds, this question is for you, or this reading is for you. So, ang question is kung makakapag-abroad ka ba or makakapunta ka ba ng Taiwan, or kung if you're someone na gustong mag-abroad, makakapag-abroad ka ba? Let's see, this one jumped out. The cards are saying yes. There's a big possibility na mahihirapan ka, pero if it's something na gusto mo talagang mangyari, makakaya mo naman siyang matupad. Wands is depicting March, April, May or spring months. So if not this year, probably next year, March, April, May. Bottom of the deck is High Priestess reversed. Just try your best na wag mawala ng pasensya. Especially if mabagal yung process or maraming nakikisawsaw sa mga decisions mo, parang gora lang. Huwag magpa-apekto. That'll be all. Bye.